So to get over the fear of actually connecting with people, new people that maybe they don't even know you, they don't know your name, they don't know what you do, they don't know even how in the world you exist, right? The best way to do it is to just say hi. Just like some people in the physical, it could be easy for them to just like go up to somebody and say, hey, how you doing? My name is Isabel. I'm excited to connect with you. Here's my handshake. I'm looking at you in the eye and I'm telling you exactly, I'm excited to talk to you. I'm excited to actually let you know what I do and how I can be of benefit. In the digital world, it's the same exact process. It's just a little bit more time, right? The same amount of time and the same amount of effort, that's the same amount of intention and focus that you need to put into getting to someone to get to know you. So to get rid of that fear of getting someone to not know you at one point and now getting to know you at the second point, that is what it takes. Just connecting, sharing with them exactly who you are, what you do, and how you can be of benefit in the most genuine and authentic way. Don't depend on bots. Don't depend on the automations, because they will definitely feel that.